to be honest. To be more specific. So soft Bambi. So, what happened yesterday, Eva? So, when I was actually with Thomas, I tried to force him to say I love you until he actually started crying for no apparent reason. So that's why. Oh yeah. Wait, what's that sound? Sorry, it was just me. Thomas, what happened? I don't know, but I was sneezing today. Oh yeah, that's the little thing of how you basically sneezed. But why did you sneeze though? I have no idea. Well, here's how to stop Thomas from sneezing. So everyone knows that Thomas basically sneezes sometimes. But Thomas, maybe you can just... Hold on. I'm gonna do this. So, Thomas, everyone knows that I try to stop you from sneezing, and because all you do is that you basically... That's gonna leave a mark. Soft Bambi, you up? Yeah. Well, at least I try to mention my name when I try to sneeze on Soft Bambi. But at least it was my fault for sneezing on him, despite the fact that I'm literally not very sick right now. Yes, Thomas, I mean it. Maybe it was my fault for doing that. True. Good thing that Thomas did not sneeze on me for my very first day of staying in this little room of how we just... Okay, that isn't the option.